What's in your box? When selecting fuel injectors, it's important to consider the assembly process. For example, an inlet filter that's added at the end of assembly may increase the risk of contamination that can lead to failure. To eliminate unnecessary contamination, we install our G-Series injector filter to the inlet tube during the middle of the assembly process. But our design and manufacturing expertise doesn't stop there. Let's take a closer look. Valve seats machined to a 1-micron finish for leak-proof seal. Precision wound and trimmed solenoid coil windings allow application-specific resistance values. Tin-plated brass terminals increase corrosion resistance. High-temperature Viton external O-ring enables proper sealing under extreme conditions. What's more, all of our G-Series fuel injector design, manufacturing, and testing takes place at our IATF 16949 certified facility in Greenville, South Carolina.
As the premier engine management brand in the aftermarket, Napa Eklund leads the way in advanced automotive technology.